Hi! Yay, me again! I'm Jenna Neal and welcome to my channel! Yay! Today I want to talk about bags! Bags, plural. Bags! Because I've been obsessed with the packing and the clutch bag. So today I have AZARIA brand. I love these. I love them, and I took a risk because I was worried that they'd be pink inside. I was worried I would not like them, but I went ahead because orange is my favorite color. This is the Terracotta clutch. If you like my other videos, unboxing and the packing video of the petite Terracotta AZARIA bag, you might like this bag. But I wanted to show you, I also got the nice one to match. Super excited. And I also bought, this one it's like a brown. And then I also bought this small pack in the olive on their Black Friday sale. I also bought the striped one and one in black. I really wanted the olive one, but though I opted for the black, we'll see. Really excited. So I really wanted to share what I use these for because I'm not in the diapering phase. My kids are a big-ish elementary school, so I don't need a lot of stuff for them, but I do need a lot of stuff for myself. Yay! Branching out into what I like. So I wanted to share with you what I pack in these. And let's get started. So I've been using these for a month, maybe, give or take, and I really like them. I'm super pleased. Okay, so it's like a vegan leather. Feels actually like leather, but it is like a beige pinkish color with the terracotta color. It matches perfectly with the clutch. It's small though, and I love that it's smaller, and I love that it's not pink inside. Oh my gosh. So this is like a beige. This one's, it's a cloth nylon, and then I keep all my pens in this one. I always have to check though that my pens are closed. I've ruined ones, that, especially the markers, because I use the Sharpies. If it breaks open, then it spills and sometimes it can go through, but I feel like this is pretty thick that it won't go through, so I love that aspect of it. That's lined, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful with this. Beautiful, and with the bag it just looks so pretty together. So really excited that they opted for this one. I also have the clutch. Yay, terracotta clutch. It's beautiful. I love the design of it. It is pebble leather, and I have a Fawn design one, but I like this one so much better. So it has this zipper with the strap. The Fawn design doesn't. It has it on the side, so that was an adjustment that I actually like. And then opening it up, this is my planner for my day-to-day projects for work. So I have a Clever Fox red planner. I really honestly did not plan that it would be red. I just purchased a red planner at the convenient time that I was buying, or when they came out with the terracotta, but that planner fits perfect in these bags, so I love that aspect of it. I also have a notebook that I keep in there as well for my daily notes, affirmations, or whichever you want to call it, journaling. And then you can see the inside. It is more of a nylon wipeable material. It's not as canvasy as the small one, which I really like. And what I like the best about this bag is that there's a zipper pocket, so I can stick my pens in there, I can stick my sticky notes in there, I can stick whatever I wanted in there, my keys, whichever. So love that. Holds some good stuff. Next, now this is new. It is olive green mossy color. I wasn't really sure about this. I'm not usually a big fan of this color, but it matches. Oh my god, I tell you how much I love that it matches. So it's green inside, it's not pink, so it's not weird. But I keep all of my power cords and all of my my drives and things for YouTube, my computer, or whichever, inside here, and it works great. Love that part of it. So this is my power cord, and it just looks fancy and it looks good. Next, so I wasn't really sure. I struggled between caramel. Oh boy. I struggled with this because I wasn't sure if I should get the chestnut color, but the caramel, it's just a little bit lighter, so I opted for that. But I didn't realize it's like super pink inside. I thought maybe it wouldn't clash as much with the pink, so I bought it. I don't like pink, and I don't like that they're different. Maybe if I bought a pink bag I would want pink, but so I keep a larger notebook in this one, 7 by 9 inches, so you can see kind of how well it fit in there. And then I love this part, the zipper. I have all of my plotting notes, card stickies in the zipper pocket with pens. I love these pens. If you're a fan of TJ Maxx, they have these pens always, but it's like a marker pen. Love it. So I have those in there, but it's just a zipper pocket that I can keep things in and then zip it up and they're hidden away. And then I also have another pen in there and notes, but also, oh, this book is pretty thick. So I have this book. Yay, yes, I'm writing a book or series. This is how I read, is I have like return to, book references, information. These are all checklists. So websites and things to reference. So yeah, that's how I read. I don't know. But this book is pretty big. It's 400 pages. Fits nicely in that bag. Love that. And then you can see how pink it is. Wow. But it's like this fabric, weird line, vinyl, wipeable type fabric, but you can see inside. Wow. And there it is, the AZARIA Clutch. So I'm super excited for the Black Friday sale. So they're 20% off if you buy them. And then they were another 20% off if you buy something else. I believe it was the vegan leather bag. So if you wanted another one, now's the time. If you're on the fence about buying these are probably one of my favorite clutches that I've purchased in a long time. I love the neutral colors, the earthy tones. I definitely recommend these as a purchase to fit inside your bag, whether you use the AZARIA bag. I do use them though for the larger bags and like the Fawn original and any other like my fossil bags. These will fit in the petite, no problem. So here are the different bags. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my crazy. I'm Jenna Neal, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're thinking about purchasing one of these, I recommend it. Love them. And please subscribe if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I cannot wait for the next video. Thank you so much. Yay! Oh my goodness! All right, yay! All right. Oh, whoops. Okay, yay! Let's take a look. This is kind of fun. I forgot how much fun this is. Ooh, that's like right in my face, isn't it? Totally is right in my face. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Oh my god. Oh. Duh. Bags. All right, yay. Bags. Yay. Thank you. Goodbye.